Uh-oh. Hello, people. Welcome aboard. Don't mind that. I was just down there getting this Everclear. That's right, folks. We're going to be making a little hot pepper tincture today. I'm going to show you how to do it. And we're using Everclear 190. It's 190 proof. We're going to be using this pepper powder. This is Carolina Reapers. It's mixed from different Reaper plants. But you may as well just go ahead and call it the JP Piranha. On a serious note, no, this is Carolina Reaper. It's 211 grams of powder. That's about 7.4 ounces. And we're going to be making a savory blend today. I'm going to be putting some cumin in. We're going to be putting some garlic powder in. And we're going to be adding more. No, I got to get onion powder. 1 second, folks. All right, I'm back. I'm going to be putting onion powder in with it. So cumin, garlic powder, and onion powder. No exact measurements. It's not an exact science, people. Unless you're growing the JP Piranha. All right, let's get into it. This is how you do it. First, I'm going to pause. I'm going to put in my different seasonings, and then we'll add the alcohol. 1 minute. All right, I added a lot of cumin and a little bit less of the garlic powder and onion powder. Just shake it around in here. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some of the Everclear. Okay. And by the way, Happy New Year, everybody. That's right, it's 2026. And it's scripted. Oh, but it's a different script this year. So we're just gonna dump this in. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get some more of this. Maybe tomorrow. I might get Spiritus. Spiritus is from Poland. It's 192 proof. Just a little bit more alcohol. So we're gonna top this up. And it's gonna soak down. I don't know if I'll do it all on camera. We'll see. But you let it soak down, you shake it up a little, and then you top it back up. I've showed you guys how to do this before. If you've made tink, let me know how it's gone. How have your results been? I have over a dozen tinks going. Some of them 4 years old. But again, I'm not in the chili community, people. That's right. So, this is Todd. Let's see what we got. I'm going to shake this up a little. Let's give it a little shake. A little shake, shake, shake. Oh, so how'd everyone do last night? Go out drinking? I was asleep by like 10 o'clock. Little man had a rough night last night. He's still getting over the flu. Thank you for your prayers. And again, hit the donate button. We appreciate it. I'll probably be back with a fuck that guy video later. Yeah. I really shake this up. Look at that. Got a lot of dry on the bottom. It'll all soak up. What I like to do is I like to have the pellet, which is the powder. It's called the pellet. It'd be down here and then like liquid up to here. You know, so you have a good coverage. And yeah, I'm making it a habit to make a lot of tinks around the beginning of the year over the years. I have quite a lot. It's almost a fire hazard at this point. We don't need our house burning down like Jimmy Pickles, right? Fuck him. Oh, yeah. 2026, the year of the pickle. All right, so see, this is all soaked. I'm gonna open this up. There we go. Okay, and we're gonna top this off. There we go. Oh yeah, they make a nice stiff mixed drink with this. Oh yeah. I think we're gonna leave it like that. I think that's good. Save me a little more for later. Okay. All right. Very strong. Jesus Christ. Okay. Well, let's see where we are. I don't want to make a mess. No mess, please. How we doing? There we go, see? And now we'll let this sit. And in theory, I'll shake this every day. But to be honest with you people, it's been weeks, many weeks since I've shook some of those tinks in the closet. So it doesn't really matter. It's not going to go bad. But in theory, they say if you shake it, it's better. But I don't know. It's also hot anyway, people. Where are we? Okay. So that's what it looks like. This is how to make super hot capsaicin tincture using Carolina Reaper powder, 7.4 ounces of Reaper powder, Everclear, and some cumin, garlic powder, and onion powder. And if you've made tink, let me know in the comments. How have your results been? I should have some packages going out to people. I've got some stuff going out to some prize winners on the last giveaway contest we did. I've just been down and out for a little bit. I've been sick, people. And again, hit the donate button. But happy 2026 to everybody. Maybe I'll tie on a good one later and come back and give you guys a real good fuck that guy. We'll do it outside. With my lozenges. Thank you, Knife Order. Haven't had a cigarette in over a week now. So, yeah, that flu and that pneumonia, no joke. No joke. But I got my inhalers and all this other stuff. We're all good, people. But that's all I got. Go out and make yourself some tincture. This is what it looks like. Hey? That's it. That's how you do it. That's all you do. So, Happy New Year. I hope if you make tincture, you have nice results. And I'll see you later. And above all, people, fuck that guy. Especially Jimmy Pickles. 2026, year of the pickle, folks.